exercise first C we were doing. And question number 4. Convert 89 kilometer into hectometer and decameter. DAM means decameter. Okay. So 89 kilometer. First we have to convert this 89 kilometer into meter. We know that in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meter, so we have to convert kilometer into meter, so we will multiply by 1000 because from bigger unit we have to convert into smaller unit. तो हम क्या करेंगे 89 को 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, तो it will become 89,000 meter. Okay. Now we know that 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. 100 मीटर इक्वल होता है इसके 1 हेक्टोमीटर के. So that means 1 meter will be equals to 1/100 hectometer. Okay. For 1 we will do divide. For less we will do divide. And if 1 meter is equals to 1/100 hectometer, so in 89,000 meter is equals to 1/100 into 89,000 hectometer. 10 to 10 cancel, 10 to 1. So 89,000. 10 to 10 and 10 to 10 means 890 hectometer. What answer has come? 890 hectometer. Understood everybody? So now we have to convert this 89 kilometer into decameter also. So 10 meter, 10 decameter. 10 meter is equals to 1 decameter. Okay? 10 meter equal होता है किसके? 1 decameter के. So 1 meter is will be equals to 1/10 decameter. So how many meters we have? We have 89,000 meters. So 89,000 meters would be equal to 1/10 into 89,000. 0 to 0 cancel. So what answer has come? 8,900 decameter. Understood everybody? How to convert this kilometer into hectometer and kilometer into decameter. So first we have converted kilometer into meter, and after that we know that 100 meter is equal to 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer में कितने मीटर होते हैं? 100. So 1 meter is equal to, and then after 89,000 meter is equal to this. अच्छा. In 1 decameter how many meters? 10 meters. So 10 meter is equal to 1 decameter. So 1 meter is equal to 1/10. 1 के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड करते हैं. And then after 89,000 meter is equal to multiply. So this 0 to 0 cancel, and then after our answer. Understood? So now question number 5. What is the question? Question is, the mass of a gas cylinder is 14 kilogram, 250 gram, 250 gram. What is the mass? What is the total mass of 22 such cylinder? What is the total mass of 22 such cylinders? So answer okay. Mass of one cylinder is given and we have to ask, they are asking mass of 22 such cylinder. Mass means वजन. Okay, wait. So what they are asking that we have to write on right hand side. जो भी पूछा जाता है वो हमेशा right side में लिखा जाता है. तो क्या पूछ रहे हैं? What is the total mass? मास पूछ रहे हैं. मास में वजन, तो हमें मास कहाँ लिखना है? राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, तो मास ऑफ one cylinder is equals to 14 kilogram 250 gram. Okay, therefore mass of how many cylinder? 22 cylinder. One cylinder mass is this, so 22 cylinder mass would be more. For more, what we do multiply. So 14 kilogram 250 gram multiply by 22. Okay, so this is kilogram and this is gram. 14 and 250 multiply by 22. So now we can multiply by 22. 22 zeros are 0. 22 5 ja 110, 0 carry 11, 22 2 ja 44, 44 and 11 55, 5 and carry 5 here. So 22 4 ja 88, 88 and 5 93, carry 9, 22 1 ja 22, 22 and 9 31. So answer is 330 kilogram and 500 gram. Understood everybody? This is your answer. Next question. The total mass of 8 logs each of the same size is 42 kilogram 400 gram. What is the mass of each log? What is the mass of each log? Okay. So look at here in this question what they are asking. पहले तो ये देखो क्या दिया है और क्या पूछा, which is given and which is they are asking, what they are asking. So look at here. Two things you will find in every question. हर क्वेश्चन में दो चीज होगी. One is known, one is unknown. एक दी हुई, एक नहीं दी. Means number of logs given and weight of one log is also given. Okay. And what they are asking, mass of each log. ठीक है. Okay. This is the total mass. This is the total mass of 8 logs. मतलब 8 logs का जो total weight दे रखा है और हमसे क्या पूछा, what is the mass of each log. तो mass means weight they are asking. So where will come on mass? On right hand side. Okay. So we can write like this. Mass of 8 logs is equals to 42 kilogram and 400 gram. Therefore, mass of Each log means 1 log. Look at here. Weight of more logs are given and they are asking mass of 1 log. Means for 1 we do divide. For 1 less will come, so we will do divide. 42 kilogram 400 gram divided by 8. Okay. So let me convert 42 kilogram 400 ग्राम इंटू ग्राम. ठीक है, इसे हम ग्राम में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 42 किलोग्राम मीन्स 42,000 ग्राम प्लस 400 ग्राम. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 42,400 ग्राम. नाउ वी हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 8. So 42,400 divided by 8. So what answer will come? 8 5 plus 40. Remaining 2. Bring down 4. 8 3 ja 24. Bring down 0. Now it is smaller, so we put 0 and again we have to bring down one more 0. Now again it is smaller. So one more 0 we have to put. Understand? So what answer has come? Answer has come 5,300 gram. Okay. So now we can convert this gram into kilogram and gram by divide by 1000. तो जब 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये लास्ट के 3 डिजिट तो हो जाएंगे ग्राम और ये हो जाएगा किलोग्राम. तो आंसर इज 5 किलोग्राम and 300 gram. Understood everybody? I hope these all questions you understood nicely. How to convert the units, how to solve the word problems. For finding less we do divide. For finding the less things so we will do divide, and finding for more we do multiply. Understood? ज़्यादा निकालने के लिए multiply और कम का निकालने के लिए divide. Understand? So this type of question you will have to solve, and same kind of question you will have to make yourself, and 3-4 questions you will have to do this kind of questions. Okay, thank you.